Hey guys, it's Dee from San Remo. Today I'm going to show you how to change a fuse for your pump. Alright, so you're going to need an Allen key set and obviously a new fuse. So we're currently using 2.5 amp slow burn fuses with a ceramic case. Okay, first thing you'll need to do is obviously make sure you power down your machine. Turn it off. If you can as well, pull the plug out. Okay, it's very important. Okay, so we're going to come over to here. You're going to need a 2.5 Allen key. Unscrew the side panels. So you have 4 screws that you'll need to take off. When you get to this point, if you aren't holding the Perspex panel, it will fall. So just make sure you hold it, release it, and the Perspex panel should come straight up. Okay, your fuse is located just here. Unscrew it like so. Take out your old fuse. Replace it with the new fuse and then screw it back together tight. Place it back into the machine tucked away and put your panel back on. Very simple. 4 screws back in. I'll screw the panel back on, not too tight, so next time you need to take it off for any reason, you don't have to break anything. Power back up your machine. Wait until it comes back on with all its settings and then check that the pump works and done. Perfect, that's how you change your fuse. Thanks guys.